Welcome to the University of Pavia. I am Alma. And I will tell you about the learning agreement, which is an exchange student you are required to fill and send before the mobility. There are two formats of the learning agreement: PDF or Word format and an online format. Note, it must be typed and not handwritten. The first one is the PDF or Word format. It has 3 parts. Before the mobility part contains courses you have decided to take. During the mobility part is to be used in case you want to change some courses you had chosen. In that case, you have to get the learning agreement re-signed. And the transcript of records. If your home university is part of the Erasmus without paper network, you can fill out your learning agreement online. Once filled, it is automatically sent in digital format to Erasmus coordinator for approval. In case of rejection, you must correct the errors and repeat the procedure until it is approved. Please note that it is still possible to modify the learning agreement, and you can do so using the same platform. Filling in the learning agreement is fairly easy. All the parts are self-explanatory. The first part is to be filled in with your details and of the receiving and sending universities. Moving on, Table A contains the courses to be taken at the University of Pavia, while the Table B contains the courses info from your home university. Once filled and signed, you must send it by email to the relevant Erasmus coordinator and CC it to the following. Another fundamental document of your exchange period is the transcript of records. It contains the list of the exams that you have taken and passed at the University of Pavia. It will be sent directly to your home institution within 5 weeks of the end of your mobility. Finally, here are some useful contacts for you. And regarding the learning agreement, that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Don't forget to watch the other Welcome Series videos. Good luck!